Wild Cocotropic. Oh, we just got our nifty pre-printed bags in. I talked about that in the other one, I know, but I just can't. It's matte. It just feels nice. It just looks great. Like, what kind of sex appeal does that have? What kind of curb appeal does that have? I mean, come on, really? How can you say no to the Cocotropic? This has cocoa powder as a base, right? Hence the cocoa. And the tropic part is where we're going to get the chaga and the reishi, the maca, and the turmeric. We're going to get the adaptogenic herbs that help you with focus, concentration, and mental clarity. They're also just good for everything. Anti-inflammatory, they're anti-cancer, they're just like super amazing, awesome foods that everyone should eat, right? And more research is coming out with the healing benefits of mushrooms. In fact, about 60 to 70% of all pharmaceuticals in the world are derived from mushrooms. That's how potent they are. Penicillin being one of the big medicines that is derived from mushrooms. Now with this, you basically take your coffee, or you could do tea or water or whatever, and you add about a tablespoon, okay? And so you get a nice cocoa flavor, and then you're going to get all these herbs in there, and a lot of people don't even have to sweeten at that point. Like, we make it at Paleo Effects every year, and we just add a little bit of butter. So we do like grass-fed butter, we do the cocoa butter that I talked about as one of my other favorite products, and we blend it up, and it's just to die for. It really is. And if you want to sweeten it up, you could do maybe stevia, xylitol, or erythritol, stuff like that, just to give it a little bit of a sweet boost. Most people like the kind of earthy flavor of the cocoa, of the mushroom and the maca and the turmeric. It just blends so perfectly with coffee that I can't rant about it enough. And so you put this in your morning brew every morning, and it just might change your life. Okay? And hopefully you're doing Drink Your Fat, which you can get the free ebook at drinkyourfat.com to explain that whole system. And so you'd be starting out with a morning brew, you'd be skipping breakfast to get all the benefits of intermittent fasting, and you'd be using something like this to help get you a little bit more of a mental boost and some more clarity throughout the day. So Cocotropic is one of our best sellers. It's one of my favorites. It's a custom blend to wild foods. We're very proud of this, and hopefully you'll see this on Whole Foods shelves soon.